Right. And so a proposal is basically a three-paragraph model, introductory paragraph that contextualizes, textualizes, theorizes, and blueprints your argument. You can refer to the previous comments I made about that, those ideas. Body paragraph outlines your citational evidence. You have to have the citation. You have to show the command of the text. MLA parenthetical style, right? I will examine this text and I will examine three parts of the text as the basis for my investigation. And then a concluding paragraph that sums up and then resolves. Again, I've talked about that before. And finally, the dialogue. So this is more difficult writing. We'll spend time on this before the next exam, actually practicing this, and I'll put out some more instructional videos on this. So, um, but the basic elements: set a basic scene, get strangers talking to each other. It's best to have an incident, event that they can talk about in common, right? So instead of just having this um, um, sort of an artificial discussion where, oh, they just happen to talk to each other and express their ideas, give them something to talk about. Give them like a street scene accident or something, right? And so they all look at the accident, or they all look at an event. They watch a football game or something, and then the way they watch it accords to their text, their philosophy, their how they look at the world. Okay, so that's the best way to write a dialogue. Have three strangers in a room with three differing worldviews or philosophies, but get them talking about the same thing. Okay, and it doesn't have to be anything that they talk about it. In fact, you should make it an everyday thing. An accident on the street, right? Something like that works well. So that's what you want to do, and then you want to illuminate the setting via dialogue. So you want to avoid expository stage directions. You want just have them say it in the dialogue instead of writing it out in paragraph form. The dialogue should be dialectical and not interrogative or interrogative. I have to look at that word again. So it just shouldn't be a question and answer type thing, right? It's not Oprah Winfrey talk show. It's not an interrogation. It's not, on the witness stand at a jury trial. It is a conversation. So you want to have, in order to get dialectical, you want to have indicate the differences and commonalities between the varying positions